As that brief message on your dash will soon be telling you, it's time for your first 10,000-mile checkup. What Mercedes-Benz calls Service A, what you probably call an oil change. So, do you really need the expertise of a highly trained Mercedes-Benz technician? After all, how complicated can an oil change possibly be? Your Mercedes-Benz is a fusion of luxury and performance, advanced safety technologies, and engineering excellence. An automotive masterpiece. So this 10,000-mile oil change is, in fact, a meticulous step-by-step inspection that is specific to both your vehicle's model and year. It is designed to keep your Mercedes-Benz performing like the Mercedes-Benz it was engineered to be. Every part that goes into a Mercedes-Benz is specifically engineered to give your particular model optimum performance. At your first 10,000-mile checkup, this part is one of the most important. It's the O-ring on the housing of a Mercedes-Benz fleece oil filter. It helps ensure that every single drop of oil is filtered consistently. To make the seal perfectly tight, it has to be compressed into place. So after an oil change, it can't be reused. It has to be replaced with an identical part, a genuine Mercedes-Benz part. Using one made of a different material or one that's even a fraction of a millimeter off could lead to premature engine wear or an unscheduled, indefinitely unwanted service. It's a little thing, but as you and every one of our technicians know, at Mercedes-Benz, everything matters. Service A to Z.